Some amazing facts about spectacled bear. The spectacled bear Tremarctos ornatus is the only bear species native to South America. It is named for the light-colored markings around its eyes, which resemble spectacles. These bears are also called Andean bears because they inhabit the Andes Mountains. The spectacled bear is the last remaining species of short-faced bears, a group that once included massive prehistoric species. Unlike many other bear species, they are not true hibernators due to the mild climate in their range. Their closest living relative is the giant panda. Spectacled bears are primarily solitary, except during mating or when a mother is raising cubs. They are excellent climbers, often scaling trees to find food or escape danger. Spectacled bears can live at elevations of up to 4,700 meters 15,400 feet in the Andes. They are the smallest bears in the Western Hemisphere, with males weighing up to 440 pounds 200 kilograms. Diet and feeding habits. Spectacled bears are mostly herbivorous, making them unique among bears. They feed on fruits, bromeliads, cacti, and even tree bark. Occasionally, they hunt small mammals, birds, and even raid livestock. They have incredibly strong jaws that can crush tough palm tree nuts. Spectacled bears will often store food in trees for later consumption. They eat over 300 different plant species in their diet. Sugarcane fields and corn crops are often targeted by these bears. When food is scarce, they feed on carrion. Unlike other bears, they rarely fish. Some scientists believe spectacled bears may have a digestive system adapted to breaking down toxic plants. Behavior and adaptations. Spectacled bears build platforms in trees using branches to rest and eat. They are primarily nocturnal but can be active during the day in remote areas. They have an excellent sense of smell that helps them locate food. They are incredibly shy and elusive, making them difficult to study in the wild. Unlike grizzly bears, they rarely display aggression toward humans. When threatened, they climb trees rather than confront predators. Spectacled bears can run up to 30 miles per hour 48 kilometers h. They are good swimmers and often cross rivers and wetlands. Some researchers believe their unique facial markings help individuals recognize each other. Their fur is water resistant, which helps them survive in humid cloud forests. Reproduction and lifespan. Spectacled bears breed year-round, but most births occur between December and February. The gestation period lasts 5 to 8 months, depending on environmental conditions. Mothers give birth to 1 to 3 cubs, with twins being the most common. Cubs are born blind and helpless, weighing less than a pound. Cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years before becoming independent. Unlike most bear species, males sometimes help care for cubs. In the wild, they typically live 20 to 25 years. In captivity, some spectacled bears have lived over 35 years. A female bear in Germany, Dolores, became famous for losing all her fur due to a genetic condition. Cubs communicate with their mother using whimpers and squeals. Habitat and range. Spectacled bears are found in Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and northern Argentina. They primarily inhabit cloud forests, high-altitude grasslands, and dry forests. Their range covers an area of 260,000 square miles 673,000 square kilometers. Some individuals have been spotted as low as 200 meters 656 feet above sea level. They often migrate to lower elevations during the dry season. Some spectacled bears are found in the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth. Their population is estimated to be fewer than 20,000 individuals in the wild. The largest known population is in Peru. Their habitat overlaps with jaguars, pumas, and Andean condors. They play a crucial role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds. Conservation and threats. The IUCN lists the spectacled bear as vulnerable due to habitat loss. Their population has declined by more than 30% in the last few decades. Deforestation and farming are the main threats to their survival. In some areas, they are hunted for traditional medicine and meat. Many local farmers see them as a threat to livestock. Some spectacled bears are killed for their paws and gallbladders, which are used in folk remedies. Conservation groups are working on protected corridors to connect isolated populations. Many indigenous communities consider the spectacled bear a sacred animal.